This thing is driving me crazy. Let it go. Oh, I think he made it out. Oh shit, Lola. God damn it. Get back in the room. Close the door so she wouldn't get out. Come on, go. How'd you get out? Come on. Good girl. She's going after it. I think it went outside. Oh, no, it's in the kitchen. God damn this. I swear to God, this fucking house sometimes. Open this door. Using your slipper. Okay. See if I can get it out. The thing's so stupid. Like it just flies by open doors. Hi. There you go. Give me. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Oh, you stupid asshole. Go to. I'm gonna hit it. There it goes. See ya. Stupid ass bird.